Hi, welcome to the IFN Dhaba. I'm Seema. Today we are going to be doing a Kheema Aloo Tikki. So to know the recipe, keep watching and stay tuned. So the ingredients required for making Kheema Aloo Tikki is, we have 400 grams of chicken keema. You can alternate this with mutton mince as well. The choice is yours. Then we have 4 boiled potatoes. We have a bowl of breadcrumbs, 1 egg for dipping. We have 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, oil, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 3 green chillies diced, 3 heaped tablespoons of coriander leaves, 3 heaped tablespoons of garlic ginger, 2 slices of bread, 1 lemon and half a bowl of water. So let's get cooking the filling for the tikki. So here we take the cooker. And I pour in the oil. Now I add in the garlic ginger. Now we add in the green chillies. After the garlic ginger has turned brown, we add in the keema. So now I add in the coriander leaves. We add the red chilli powder. We add in the jeera powder, the salt, and the garam masala, and a little bit more of the coriander leaves. And we just add a little water just to give 1 whistle. And we just shut the gas. Just shut the cooker for 1 whistle. So now I'm just going to open the cooker lid. Now we'll just check the chicken keema. As you can see, it is done, but there is a little of water which I will just dry it out. So now I add in the coriander leaves. And the lime makes the tikki more tangy. So the chicken keema is ready and it's totally dried out, and now we are going to cool this and start using it for the filling. And now I'm going to do the potato. These are 2 pieces of bread which I have soaked in water and squeezed completely dry, and this is how they look now, absolutely dry. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to add the coriander leaves. Going to add salt, a little bit of garam masala, and I'm going to bind it together. So this dough, the potato dough, has 2 slices of bread. It has 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little of garam masala, and about 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Now this is ready. I'm going to take small portions of this and fill it with the keema. I'll just grease my palms a little because the potato seems to be a little sticky. I take this round potato ball and I flatten it and make a slight hollow. Add the filling once we have the filling, just close the, see that the filling goes right in. Seal it with the potato. Flatten it again. Check all the sides. Now I gently dip it into the egg. Turn it around. Take it out. And there add the breadcrumbs. See that the breadcrumbs coat the tikki well, because with this, with the breadcrumbs, it's going to become nice and crispy. Dusted the extra breadcrumb and now it's ready for frying. This does not take time cooking because the filling is cooked, the potatoes are cooked. So basically it's just the egg and the breadcrumbs. As soon as it browns, we take it out. Now I'm going to turn the side because this gets done really quickly. So you have to just be by the side of this and keep flipping it fast, and once you get your required color, please remove it. So now these are done. And you can see what a lovely color it is. So here we have our lip-smacking Kheema Aloo Tikki ready. This is best eaten with green chutney or sauce if you like. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries or comments, write in. Thank you.